Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope to find you all in the best of your health. In today's video, I'm going to share with you about Sudoku. So what is basically Sudoku, what are its rules, how to play and how to introduce Sudoku to kids. We will discuss about this. So first of all, what is Sudoku? Sudoku is a logical thinking based on number placement puzzle. So what are the rules of Sudoku? So Sudoku basically has a n by n matrix which has n rows and n columns, and there are numbers placed in each box. So what the rule is, each row, each column or block should contain each number exactly once. So no number should be repeated in any of the rows or columns or blocks. So I will basically explain about it later in the video using the matrix. So now I am going to tell you what are the benefits of playing Sudoku. Sudoku develops logical thinking abilities of the child. It improves concentration and patience. It helps in a stimulation of brain. It improves memory and sharpness. So these are all the benefits of playing Sudoku. It helps in overall brain development of the child. So now coming to how to introduce Sudoku to kids. So the initial step which we can do is at the age of 3 years to 4 years, we can introduce patterns to the kids. First we can introduce patterns. Patterns are basically they have to do the logical thinking, like this one. This is a pattern of shapes like triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, and then what will come next. So they have to think and do it. So in this way we can do it for numbers also, to create a pattern. Same way we can do for colors as well. We can do it for colors or shapes or any type of stickers you can use to create pattern. And so first step is we have to teach them patterns. Now after the child has learnt about the patterns, how to create a pattern, the second step is by introducing them to 2 by 2 matrix or 2 by 2 blocks like this. So initially we can do this we can use any stickers, like colorful stickers we can use, like here is a green dot, or you can use bindis. So this is a 2 by 2 pattern, so they have to think which color is missing here. First we will introduce them to this 2 by 2 matrix. This will be easy for them, and after that we can proceed further. Like take for example, here in this number matrix, number 1 is here, number 2 is here, so this column is full. Where is the number missing? Here in this column. So 1 is already there, so what is missing? 2. So the child has to write here 2. So this way we can teach them. In the next step we will teach them about 3 by 3 matrix. So you have to create 3 rows and 3 columns. So this line is called a row, and these lines are vertical lines are columns. These are rows and these are columns. So in a 3 by 3 matrix we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So 3 by 3 matrix we can teach them either with the help of colors or shapes or numbers. So I would suggest first you can do it with colors or shapes or any stickers, and after that you can teach them with numbers. So with colors or stickers they would be interested in the activity, and after that they develop an interest into Sudoku. Then you can switch to numbers. So what they have to see, each row contains the numbers only once. So no number is repeated in a row and no number is repeated in a column as well. So they have to start with the row or a column which has the minimum numbers missing. So this row has 2 numbers missing, but this row has only 1 number missing. So they can start with this row. So with numbers 1, 2 and 3, which number is missing in this row? 1. So they will write here 1. Now they will see in this column which number is missing. 1 is there, 2 is there, so 3 is missing. So they can write here 3. So this row is complete, this row is complete, and then they will see this one. So take it as a take it as a column. So in this column, which number is missing? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is missing. So they will write 3. In this column, 2 is missing. So in this way you can teach them this 3 by 3 matrix. So using 1, 2, 3 numbers, it will be easy for them to do this. So this way we can teach them using colorful stickers or shapes or colors. You can teach them 3 by 3 matrix. Now after they have learned the 3 by 3 matrix, they are thorough with this one, then we can switch to 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, so we have to create a 4 by 4 matrix. This has 4 rows and 4 columns. And what we have to see, no number should be repeated in any row. Like this row has 4 and 3 already, so there can't be 4 and 3 again in this row. And this row has 2, 3, 4, so there can't be these numbers again repeated in this row. So 4, 3, 2 cannot be repeated in this row again. So this way no number should be repeated in any row or in any column. And next thing, in this 4 by 4 matrix, there is a block. Like this is a 2 by 2 block. There are 4 2 by 2 blocks in this one. This is a block. This is another block. This is another block. This is another block. So the rule is no number should be repeated in any block also. So like 4 3 2 is already there, so there can't be 4 3 2 again or in this. It cannot be twice in this block. Same way, 3 is already there in this one, so there can't be 3 here, here, here. 3 cannot be repeated in this block. So these are the rules of 4 by 4 matrix. Similarly, it can these rules are same for 6 by 6 or 8 by 8 or 9 by 9 matrix. So these are the basic rule. No number should be repeated in any row, in any column or in a block. Okay, so in this 4 by 4 matrix, it is a 2 by 2 block. In 6 by 6 matrix, it would be 3 by 3 block, and so on. So these are the basic rules. So what the child has to see in this one, first they have to find in which row or column there is the least number of number missing. So in this row there are 2 numbers missing. In this row also 2 numbers are missing. In this column we can see only 1 number is missing, so we can find it, that number. So 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. What's not there? What's missing? 1. So they can write 1. Now we can look in this row, which number is missing. 1, 2, 3 are already there, so 4 is missing, so write 4. Now next we will look at this column because it has only 1 number missing. So which one is missing? 4. So they can write 4. Now we will look at either this one or this one, any one. So we will look at here, which number is missing? 1. Then this row, which number is missing? 1, 2, 3 is there, 4. Then this row, 2. And finally this one, 2, 3, 4 are already there, 1 is missing. So this way we can complete the 4 by 4 matrix. So you can teach them in this way, so it will be easy for them. So that's all for today. So in this way you can introduce Sudoku to your kids. Sudoku is, trust me, this very much helps in improving the logical thinking abilities in the child, and it improves concentration, and it improves the memory, sharpness, and it helps in brain stimulation. So it is a very good activity for brain development of the child. So you can introduce it to the child at the age of 3 to 4 years. So do try it with your kids. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share with other parents. And if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. So I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and thank you so much for watching. Happy parenting.